Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get LEGO Marvel Superheroes. First, you will want to decide which gaming platform suits you best. This fantastic adventure is available on many systems, including personal computers, PlayStation consoles, Xbox consoles, and the Nintendo Switch. Each platform offers a slightly different experience, so ensure your chosen device meets the game's requirements for the best possible performance and enjoyment. Once you have chosen your platform, it is time to acquire the game. You can purchase digital copies directly from online storefronts such as Steam for PC, the PlayStation Store, or the Xbox Games Store. Alternatively, if you prefer a physical copy, you can find discs at major electronics retailers or dedicated video game stores. Don't forget to check for pre-owned versions, which can sometimes offer a great value. After your purchase, the installation process is straightforward. For digital versions, the download will begin automatically, and you simply follow the on-screen prompts. If you have a physical disc, insert it into your console or computer and follow the installation instructions. Make sure you have enough storage space, usually around 15 gigabytes, and allow for any initial game updates to ensure a smooth first play experience. To truly maximize your LEGO Marvel Superheroes experience, consider exploring any available downloadable content or expansion packs, which often introduce new characters and exciting levels. The game features a vibrant, open-world New York City, packed with hundreds of secrets and collectibles to discover. For even more fun, invite a friend to join you in the two-player cooperative mode, making your superhero adventures twice as enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.